Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 not launching so you can start the game without crashes or errors. First, restart your PC because old background processes can block the game from opening. Next, right-click the game and run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. After that, set compatibility mode to Windows 7 or Windows XP Service Pack 3 since this is an older game. You should also verify your game files or reinstall the game if files are missing or corrupted. Another important step is to install DRX9 and all required Visual C++ redistributables because the game depends on older components. Also, disable any overlays like Discord or Steam overlay if you are using Steam version. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated but not overly modified settings. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and it should start working normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.